So this is day 9. If you haven't seen one of these videos and you're highly unmotivated to work out or you're just too tired and you need to build strength up again, I would start with day 1 in the attached playlist because that's how to properly build a habit. I've been through a situation where I've had to recover after surgery before, and I went from not even being able to walk a minute to hiking in the woods for 3 hours on the weekend. And you do that with daily, very baby step incremental progress. And so I need to go through that type of routine again because I ended up having surgery again, but I've been so busy that I hadn't gotten back into a full routine yet. So I need to kind of start over. So all that to say, hey, start at the playlist. That's what I recommend. So, and then come back here on day 9. Start at day 1. So day 1, so this day 9, we start at day 1 first, what we did with day 1. And what we did with day 1 is we just did some ankle pumps. You point your toes in and out. So you pull your toes in and then you point them out. Sometimes even this can feel too much effort. So I just think you should just do what you can tolerate and then do it again the next day because you'll build more tolerance for it. And then you want to rotate your ankles inwards and then go outwards. And that's all we did on day 1. For day 2, we added in pulling the leg back to get a stretch. This helps with keeping your blood vessels nice and stretchy. Stretching out is good for your blood vessels and keeping everything nice and flexible. And that's all we did on day 2. So on day 3, we added in pulling back the foot with the opposite hand to get a stretch. And it, to me, it doesn't really matter where you feel the stretch as long as you're feeling a stretch. And then switching to the other side. Day 4, we just added in lifting up the leg as far as you can go. If you can't go this far, who cares? You'll get further each day. And then just holding it with your hand. And switching to the other side. And then we stopped there on day 4. On day 5, we did it all over again. But we added in the side stretch. I say we when I should be saying I. Switching to the other side. Going back, that was done it for day 5. Day 6, we did that whole routine over and then added the butterfly stretching. So you just go where you feel like you're getting a stretch. You can move along this axis. And then that was it for day 6. On day 7, we started into like actual getting into more exercise type stuff in bed. So they call this in bed exercise. And you want to drive this part of the leg right here. You want to drive it into the ground or onto your mat. It makes you use your muscles a little bit to drive it in and lift yourself up. So we did that twice on day 7. And we stopped there. Day 8 was doing that whole routine over again, but adding one more. And so on day 9, we add one more. And then that's it for day 9. So tomorrow we'll add in one more of those, and then the next day we'll add on a different exercise. That's also in bed. So remember to look for the playlist in the description